My people, how are they? My name is AU David. I could do you only one. Or Garagu himself. Respect, let me found the bed down if you reach the mom, not because say tall. Now, what did dog do for where yam day? Let make the pursue dog. Not be say dog they eat yam. Today we get plenty news when we want talk. Hey, make we go check out how it be. You could not follow me. Government don't propose so we don't propose they don't turn out to hero. My brother, if you not see the protest when they protest for UK and you go fear. Now so they come out the corner. The masses advocate. Free the masses advocate. Free masses advocate. My brother, when you say make man not grow, you call the pokora make it not grow, make it not grow. The man you go pokora put for where you go grow. Now government say that they do really bad thing. You don't say that they promote the guy. The guy now, the profile don't rise. He don't take out to be hero of Nigeria. Very soon, if you talk, everybody go run for long. Me and they hear they laugh for waiting that they do. Nothing say now they punish the boy. Now small time go spend for them, but when he come back, he go definitely come back because of all of us when they talk. When he come out that time, you don't talk to Baba. See, una see protest, yeah. Una even see development. Una see something. Una see wetin I see. Now wanna protest one. Say make them free the masses chairman. The masses, sorry, not the chairman they call her masses advocate, and they call her. Now know the meaning of that word advocate. Means the man when they speak for the masses, now they talk for the masses, now they start with the back. They talk with the masses smart, what thing go happen for the masses, now be that one advocate. Now check out. See, if they want the government say they do wetin dey right, they go think say na we don't like them. Make una free Oshowore before una turn to another thing. This small thing una dey do, una free before una turn to another thing. Everybody don't talk now, una no wan hear. Una no wan hear, una dey carry case dey give the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice. Wetin they want? Not be the first pattern. President talk. Say make they release another one 1 year, make they free am. Now people dey shout for, now we dey talk. You not free this boy, make it go do your thing. We don't even hear say now they don't freeze the guy account. And yes, if you never fair hear am, they don't freeze am. Sahara Reporter account, they don't free am. But I see. Yeah. So we go soon come back. Remove and we will go another. Kasala don burst for the leaders of APC and PDP. Oh, then they use what they flog themselves. You know that those men will go school. They know the school they themselves, they don't come and go school well. Just that they know how to speak English. Then they use English, they fire themselves. Consider that they use English, they blow. God beat you. God beat you. Now show me the first pattern. Show me the combat. If you make some if you talk about the book we want launch and come over for there. You know what do your mouth can't be bene you. Your mouth can't be bene you. Can't bene you. You can't talk. Make they say you good. As you talk, play some more. Make we see what you show more talk.
But on a serious note, I think it is nice to have women like this to reflect. And I just want to share my own ignorance since I can't lead to any knowledge of my community. When I watch interviewers abroad, I see fearlessness, I see courage. I don't hear, and when I watch any of the international people network, I don't hear any interviewer interview Trump saying Your Excellency. Not because Trump is not particularly excellent, but even excellent Obama. I never had or watched any media man interview him or ask him a question saying Your Excellency. All I just hear addresses President Barack Obama. But in Nigeria, the journalists make you feel that you are already superhuman. And he asks you questions that sometimes for me are quite patronizing. And you get away with so much half-truth without the right to interrogate even obvious lies. For example, I was, somebody said, let Eric go and interview Eric. I appreciate the courage, the discipline, not only to have done those interviews, but also to sit down and try to document them by way of a book so that people like us can read them. So should we meet an Eric tomorrow interviewing us, we will learn from those interviews. But maybe you should also interview people who are not of power. Because all the big names that you mentioned, there are people, all those people put together, they are not equivalent to Nigeria. Nigeria is much more than those people. So we should focus below and interrogate them, at least to know what is their own expectation about their own country and their own evaluation about their own leaders. Not just these men and women of powerful power.
Nasia, Ushomole Kokoma, you talk say me media this, media that. Una they suppress the media, say they media control this and that, hate speech and the rest. Una say that make media they ask una question when it is strong. Media una buy proof of pocket. They ask una question when it is strong, so that when they ask you the question, una go put her for jail. Una go keep her for one place because they ask question. Now my brother come out, we kill. He come out and fire back. Say, make una dey preach wetin una dey do. No be waiting. In fact, no be play it first.
During the Chairman's second term to the governor of Edo State, he came to the villa to thank the then president who he was called to an interview. He said, thank you for one man, one vote. Today, we have one man, one vote. When he had an opportunity to thank a president that said, one man, one vote, he should have carried it along to make sure that one man, one vote. So, preach what you You remember, in your own time, they had what they call Occupy Nigeria. Nobody was arrested. Nobody was sent to jail. Nobody was in jail. Nobody should make any call for that. Today. Are they practicing what they're preaching? No! very, very important. We want to know where we are. And we cannot be deceived by reports. We cannot be deceived by what we have seen. All of us know we are not progressing. Rather, we are doing what? So my brother, my leader, the chairman, Nigeria is witnessing what we preach and we are not practicing. So as a leader, I want to come back to you. Please tell our people. In fact, even the BBC happened, and the first time I heard that a cabinet member will say he does not like money. The first time I've heard that a cabinet member will say he does not like money. Who does not like money here? Who does not like money? Without money, can you pay a serious school fees? Chairman.
Unasia, true. Wetin we talk here, a good or right. True. Wetin we talk here na right na better thing talk, because these people we know they see anything, nothing. They go talk A, they go do B. They go talk C, they go do H. They go do D, they go do N. And when they go talk Z, we go find them for T. All do this people try talk lie. You go use this side lick the lie again. These people, you see, one man one vote. Good luck, Ebele Jonathan. When he say, I am committed, my brother. Say me, now me go. I go do the election. See my ambition. Not what anybody blood. He stand up on top of that one gidigba. He stand gidigba. When they say he lose the election, I can congratulate Buhari. But the election who they see today. Election who they see today. The right result. The election we're not the guy come now. Go. In fact, police, IG or police talk say, now fake police let it do election. Nigeria don't suffer for no hand. Put the other man. They will see.
And like my senior brother has said here, he has much explanation and rhetorics to make. I don't have that. My brother, senior brother, Chief Dr. Oshiwole. But to go straight to the point, from when Irabo interviewed the first president to the current day, as a country, have we witnessed improvement from the First Republic to the Second Republic, to the Third Republic, to the Fourth Republic? The answer is with you. From when the then opposition and now the ruling party has come, have we seen any improvement? The answer is also with you. But most importantly, are we free now to speak? Even in the military era, journalists were vibrant and they fought for their rights.
Nasia, you would not see the fight, because they use where they fight. We don't want people now they fight for television again. Not now go fight for Kai Road, for building a borehole, for putting street light, for giving us light, for giving us industry. Build something where people go see, people go enjoy, people go benefit. Now this is what we need. Not gonna come here, come they fight, they use shoot him out, they do like say make we say una good. None of una good. Make una good do wetin go make Nigeria good. Now that one we find. You be check. Oshomole go back to Edo State, go settle the crisis when they there. Problem when na the cause, when I go settle. People they die for there. Now come here, come talk plenty. People say now go. Then our big madam, Madam Aisha Buhari, the first lady of Nigeria. Yeah. Oh yo man. Eh? Put first lady first. Put first lady. First lady, I greet you. Hell. So you don't join us the cry now. You don't join us the sharp say, what did this government they do, you know, good. First lady don't they cry say Garba Shehu. Say waiting Garba Shehu they do for government for Aso Rock. Say Garba Shehu don't they pass your boundary. They say now here you go reach. I said no, here not big reach. Me I go create my own power. Because for the government, anything when they like, yes, now you know when you be see person when you dey power, if you talk to them for this year, now this year supposed to hear you, they talk to them for this year, not go hear well. So now make them all of them they decide to do what they like. Madam don't talk say na Gaba, now one of the biggest problem when they get for Aso Rock. She talk and say, Mama Dara, hey, another woman. Opopo, Mama Dara. This woman what they see so Mama Dara, na Buhari nephew na she be. So first let down the cry say, now wetin Mama Dara talk na the Gaba take the work. Say the decision wey they make for the country, say most of the decision say na Mama Dara na dey make am, no be even Buhari dey make the decision. Say when they tell say they don scrap na English I speak there, when they say they don close, look you understand, they don close, say they don close first lady office, say first lady office no dey exist. Say no be president talk am, say na Mama Dara na him tell Garba Shehu. Dashiu or Shawu or Shiu, your name now, no one resemble shit. The man as Mama Dara tell am, na Garba Shehu run go media, come and answer. As he don't answer finish now for president to revise am, it's not difficult. So most of the thing when they happen, say na Mama Dara na they make some decision. The Garba Shehu will just run go social media talk am. Say Garba Shehu don't transfer loyalty from president to Mama Dara. Say people wey not dey the oath wey president take, wey not dey part of the oath, most of them they control the government. So tell your husband make resign. If you not dey capable, make resign. Because many things wey we dey see now, we not come after believe say we get president. Una dey fight punch say na no wetin punch talk, say na dictatorship, na punch talk am. Say una dey fight them, but wetin dey happen for the country, e reach wey person dey talk o. Na make una dey bring wetin dem dey call hate speech, media, all gbogbo because una wan control us. We dey watch una for with one eye, we dey watch una. Everybody dey die for the country. Boko Haram dey kill. This one dey kill. This one dey kill. Boko Haram slaughter soldier. Kill this one. Kill this one. Now come and tell us say na fabricate, na this and that. They remove them. Remove them.